Hey friends, summer is in full swing. We were into our first full week of summer, and so you know what that means, summer picnics. So one way I help get myself a little organized and ready is I just have a little picnic pack kind of together, and I thought I would share this little tip that I use. So you can use any kind of basket. I like this because it can fit in the pantry nice. And during the year, I just start to pick up different holiday paper plates. I just happen to have these red, white, and blue ones for 4th of July. Well, all through the year, I go ahead and I start to buy some of my essentials. We've got some cutlery here. We've got some solo cups, some styrofoam cups for coffee, and then different napkins for different occasions. We've got some cute 4th of July. You can use those for 4th of July. Some fun party ones. This is cute little. So everything in the summer's not 4th of July, and then these pretty rainbow sherbet kind of looks like. But what I do is, so I don't like to buy everything all at once. It gets kind of costly, and so we're all trying to be a little more economical. So, and if you're throwing a picnic yourself, then there's a lot of extra expenses. And so if you pick up everything ahead of time, then little by little, every time you go grocery shopping, 1 week buy the paper plates and the plasticware, another week buy a few packs of napkins, especially if it's the end of the season. I usually buy my napkins when it's at the end of the season and the price has gone down. And of course, you're always going to use some plastic cups and some coffee cups. So and you can also pack a little plastic tablecloth, or I usually use cloth, but you can. But sometimes if you're going to a campground, you don't want to put one of your nice cloth tablecloths. So that's when I'll pack that. Then you just put this in the pantry and put it away. And there's different things you can add to it. If you had a little bit of a bigger basket, we can't forget this, right? We can't forget the s'mores. So I've got my gluten-free graham crackers, got my Hershey bars, chocolate bars, and then we've got our marshmallows. And I didn't show you this, but one thing I already have is the sticks for the marshmallows. How many times do you get to your picnic and then you're like, oh, we got to go hunt down some tree twigs, which that's fun for the kids. But if you don't want to have that tree twig, because you're like, I hope they don't get into the poison ivy or something like that. We always keep ours. When I buy mine at the grocery store, I just put it in the trunk, so they're always there. But like I said, I like little baskets. I like little things like that you can just put in the pantry, and you've got it all ready. And then another idea I use is when I have a smaller crowd that I'm entertaining for my summer picnics. I've started using this the last couple of years. So I think I got these at Walmart. They were these plastic 4th of July cups, very cute, patriotic. Let me show you the stars, the eagle. We have cheers for the red, white, and blue. Home of the free, the land of the brave. Nice American flag. Like I said, I don't even know if Walmart still has it. We've got George Washington, our first president, and of course, you can't have a 4th of July without a 4th of July kitty cat, right? Uncle Sam. So anyway, when I just have a small group, a lot of times I'll use these for my cups, trying to be a little more earth friendly and not have as much disposable cups now. You really can't get away with that when you have a big crowd, because who's going to remember what cup? But if you have a small, just family or whatever, a few friends, everybody's going to remember their cup pretty much. So that's one idea. And then with the patriotic cups, we've got to have our patriotic plates also. And then also you can get these like Melamac or these plastic plates if you don't want to have the disposable plates. And that brings me to, if you're serious about your picnicking, maybe you need to upgrade to a bigger tote. Now they sell these at your local department stores, and they're great for storing. You know, you can put your charcoal, your lighter fluid if you're, going to the campground. You need all that. Your aluminum foil, you can put all that in there. Your utensils, your barbecue utensils. Or you can just use this for, ice for your water, sodas, whatever. So anyway, that's some tips reminding you to get ready for those summer picnics and making it a little more smoother for you. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.